You've probably heard the same advice again and again. Build a personal brand, sell a course, become a coach. But the truth is, most people don't want to be influencers. They just want to make more money. If that sounds like you, this video is going to be worth your time. I've done the research and found 9 amazing machines that real people are using right now to earn solid income from home. I'll show you what each one does, how much it costs, and how you can start making money with it on your own terms. Stay with me until the end, because one of the most powerful machines is waiting for you there. Let's get started with number 9. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, comment "I'm ready," and I'll share the complete list with you.
This video is for educational and informational purposes only. All videos, discussions, and demonstrations about business machines, investments, or related topics are not financial advice.
Number 9. CNC machine. If you enjoy creating or working with wood, the CNC machine can turn that passion into profit. This computer-controlled carving tool lets you design custom products with precision and consistency. You simply upload a design, place your wood piece, and the machine automatically shapes and cuts it. People are making personalized cutting boards, furniture, signs, wall art, and home decor that customers love. One college student even earned over $500,000 in 2 years selling CNC products online. Another seller made $1.2 million creating outdoor decor and coolers. The secret is finding a niche and focusing on quality. The CNC machine costs between $1,300 and $4,000. And, depending on your creativity and marketing, it can easily become a 6-figure business. Whether you sell on Etsy or local markets, this machine turns craftsmanship into consistent income. Number 8. AliExpress knitting machine. The AliExpress knitting machine is perfect for anyone who enjoys crafts but doesn't have hours to spend knitting by hand. This compact tool can create hats, scarves, socks, and sweaters in just minutes. No knitting experience required. Small business owners are using it to sell custom winter wear on Etsy and Amazon, adding personal touches like names and patterns. Handmade items often sell for $25 to $60 each, while the machine itself costs just around $100. With low material costs, profit margins are excellent. Many people earn $500 to $2,000 per month working part-time during the colder seasons, and even more around the holidays. It's fun, easy to use, and family-friendly, making it one of the most affordable ways to start a creative side business that actually pays off. Before we move to number 7, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. The ProColor DTF printer is a powerful way to start your own custom clothing business from home. DTF stands for direct to film, and it lets you print colorful designs onto a special film. Coat it with powder, heat it, and press it onto almost any fabric. You can print on cotton, polyester, or blends, producing high-quality shirts and apparel. The best part is, you can print single orders or small batches with no need for inventory. Custom t-shirts for birthdays, sports teams, or small businesses are always in demand. Most sellers charge $20 to $35 per shirt, while the material cost is just a few dollars, leaving room for strong profits. Depending on your niche, people are earning $1,000 to $10,000 per month. The printer costs between $1,800 and $6,000, but it pays for itself quickly when you put it to work. Coming up next, the machines get even better. One of them can make you money while you're sleeping, so keep watching. Number 6. Ink Edibles Cake Pro Quattro. The Ink Edibles Cake Pro Quattro is a professional-grade edible printer that brings creativity into the baking world. It prints full-color images, logos, and photos directly onto cakes, cookies, cupcakes, and frosting sheets using FDA-approved edible ink. It works like a normal printer, but instead of paper, you're printing delicious designs people can eat. Bakeries and event planners love it because it allows for personalized treats for birthdays, weddings, and corporate events. Many bakers charge $25 to $100 per order. And some have built six-figure businesses using this machine. The Cake Pro Quattro costs around $500 to $800. And with steady orders, it can pay for itself fast. It's a fun, creative way to stand out in the baking industry and turn every dessert into a memorable, profitable masterpiece. Number 5. Balloon Stuffing Machine. The balloon stuffing machine is simple, creative, and surprisingly profitable. It lets you place gifts like teddy bears, candies, baby clothes, or gift cards inside balloons, creating stunning custom presents for any occasion. The machine inflates a large balloon inside a clear chamber and keeps it open while you add items, so you can decorate without worrying about popping. These unique gift balloons are perfect for birthdays, baby showers, weddings, and holidays, and people are willing to pay for the creativity. Sellers usually charge between $25 and $100 per balloon, depending on what's inside. With an investment of around $399, you can make $2,000 to $4,000 per month, even working part-time. You can also team up with florists or event planners to increase sales. It's fun, easy to learn, and brings big smiles and steady profits. Number 4. Laser Cleaner. The laser cleaner looks like something from the future, but it's a real business opportunity today. It uses focused laser beams to remove rust, paint, and corrosion from metal surfaces in seconds. There are no chemicals or sandblasting, just clean metal left behind. People are starting mobile cleaning services and charging $100 to $500 per job, depending on the project size. You can clean cars, gates, trailers, tools, or machinery, all on site. Some owners even rent their machines for $250 to $500 a day, creating extra income. The process is not only efficient, but also incredibly satisfying to watch, which is why many record their work and earn from YouTube or TikTok content too. The laser cleaner costs between $5,000 and $15,000, but it can pay for itself quickly if you market it well. It's futuristic, practical, and highly profitable. The top 2 machines might surprise you. They're simple, affordable, and already helping thousands of people earn steady income every month. Number 3. Salsa 2 Photo Booth. The Salsa 2 Photo Booth is a modern way to make money from events with almost no photography skills required. It uses an iPad system to take high-quality photos, videos, and boomerangs that guests can instantly send to their phones by text, email, or AirDrop. Event hosts love it because it adds fun and instant memories to weddings, birthdays, and corporate events. You can charge anywhere from $400 to $1,200 per event. And since the booth runs automatically, you don't need to stay there. Just set it up, collect it later, and get paid. Some owners even manage multiple booths at once, earning $5,000 to $10,000 per month during busy seasons. The Salsa 2 Photo Booth costs around $3,000. And it's one of the easiest ways to turn social events into steady income. Number 2. Laser Cutter and Engraver. The laser cutter and engraver is a dream machine for anyone who loves crafting or design. It can cut and engrave wood, acrylic, leather, paper, and even some foods with precision. Just upload your design, place the material, and let the laser do the rest. People are using it to create personalized gifts like jewelry, keychains, ornaments, and home decor. It's also popular for weddings and events, making cake toppers, signage, and table decorations. One seller made $30,000 selling monogram designs, while another earned $37,000 in a single month with engraved calendars. The machine costs between $200 and $500. Yet it opens doors to endless creative opportunities. You can sell your products on Etsy, local markets, or social media. For creative entrepreneurs, this is one of the most affordable ways to turn ideas into cash. Number 1. Creality K2 Plus 3D Printer. The Creality K2 Plus 3D Printer lets you bring your imagination to life. With a digital design and a single click, it prints detailed toys, tools, organizers, and prototypes right from your desk. People are using it to create and sell custom home decor, gaming models, and unique accessories. You can sell items for $10 to $50 each, and just 10 daily sales can bring in $3,000 to $5,000 per month. There's no need for inventory since you print on demand when orders come in. It's a perfect blend of creativity and technology that anyone can use. The Creality K2 Plus costs around $599 to $699. And many creators say it's one of the most reliable printers available. Whether you're a designer, hobbyist, or entrepreneur, this machine can turn innovation into real income. So there you have it. 9 powerful machines that are helping people create real income from home right now. Whether you love crafts, tech, or small business ideas, there's something here for everyone. The key is simple. Find the machine that fits your skills, start small, and grow from there. Every big business starts with one small decision to begin. If you found this video helpful, take a second to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking for new ways to make money. It really helps more people find these ideas and keeps this channel going strong. Thanks for watching. Stay motivated, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.